But what about the plastic darts? These bullets are 3D printed plastic, with 100% infill, and they weigh about 6.5 grams. And the first one I'm gonna shoot is a sort of experiment. Firearms barrels are usually rifled. This allows the projectile to spin in the air, stabilizing the bullet and improving both range and accuracy. Now, since my barrel is literally just a pipe, I wanna see if a rifled projectile would still make it spin when I shoot it. My plan is to shoot 3 3D printed projectiles against the ballistic gelatin, and the best one of them against the ballistic dummy. Also, things are starting to get